Alright, in this screencast we're going to explore a little more closely the relationship between average total cost and the marginal cost. So in a previous screencast I mentioned that the marginal cost curve, right, the Nike swoosh, always intersects or meets or crosses the average total cost curve at its minimum. Mathematically, that has to happen. And the relationship that's often described between marginal cost and average total cost is like the grade that you get in your next class and compared to your overall GPA. So let's think of the marginal cost as the grade that you're going to get in econ, and your average total cost is your overall GPA. If we are in a case where the marginal cost lies below the average total cost curve, then the average total cost curve is downward sloping and is falling. As we increase our output, the cost of a typical unit is falling because that marginal cost is low. So the analogy for that would be if you have a GPA of a 3.0, so you have a solid B average, and you get a C in your next class, then your overall GPA is going to go down because that 2.0 from a C grade in a course is going to bring down your overall GPA. So when marginal cost is lower than, lies below the average total cost, it brings down the average total cost up to the point where they intersect and then they're equal. When we have the marginal cost curve lying above the average total cost curve, then average total cost starts to rise. And that's just like if you have a B average, so you have a 3.0 GPA, and then you get an A or even a B plus or an A minus, something that is higher than your overall GPA, you're going to be pulling up that GPA. And so when marginal cost lies above the average total cost per unit is starting to rise. And where the two meet is the efficient scale, that Q star.